Now friends, as some of you know, we also have a very successful WhatsApp group and Telegram channel where we discuss a lot of profitable stock opportunities. Now the performance in that has been spectacular, especially with the trading group where our capital has grown at least 30 to 40% over the last 3 to 4 weeks. If you want to go ahead and join our Telegram and WhatsApp groups where we discuss profitable stock opportunities, please go ahead and open a completely free Upstox trading account through the link provided in the first pinned comment or in the description. Not only the fact that you will be added to our WhatsApp and Telegram groups, you will also be entitled to a completely free stock gift from Upstox. So friends, hurry, please go ahead and join the group. I think it will be enriching for your network. Now, having seen how you could go ahead and join our Telegram groups and channels, let's get back to the main purpose for this video. In this video, we'll be talking about a tiny small cap with a market capitalization below Rs 150 crores, where Porinju Veliyath in his personal capacity has bought 2 lakh shares during the last quarter. Now his fund EQ India also holds 2.35% in the same company, which is down 0.23% over the last quarter. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is BCL Industries Limited, which is available at Rs 85 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is BCLIL. Now BCL Industries Limited, formerly BCL Industries and Infrastructure Limited, is an India-based company engaged in the business of edible oils, distilleries and real estate. Its segments include oil and vanaspati, distillery unit and real estate. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company has not created any major wealth for its shareholders. Now the market cap of the company is 148.18 crores, which means that this company is a borderline stock between a small cap and a micro cap. The EPS of 21.63 translates into a dirt cheap price to earnings ratio of 3.93, which is also very cheap when compared with the industry PE of 7.41. The price to book ratio of 0.81 is also very cheap. Now one concerning factor about this company is the high debt to equity, which stands at 1.0497. Return on equity is also a decent number for this company and stands at 0.2624. The dividend yield is 1.41%, whereas the promoter holding is also good at 63.81%. Also, none of the promoters holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.